Alright guys, what we're going to do on this video, it's a shortcut to help you guys find all your values that you're going to need fairly quickly. Okay, we're going to find out VO2 max, FAI, observed VO2 max, and all that. Okay, so what you want to do for this video, you want to have a blank Excel sheet opened up. You want to follow along. The FAI aerobic impairment sheet for this setup process, and then you're also going to want the run times sheet. Let's see, what I think I might have closed it, but the runtime sheet that I give you all the times on. Okay, so this is intended for you guys to create shortcuts in Excel. A little bit more work up front, but it'll save you a lot of time on the back end. Okay, so this is something for my reference right up here. I already created several formulas and stuff, so you can just refer to what I'm doing below this yellow line, because I'm going to pretend this is your guys' workbook and we're doing it from scratch. Okay, so the first thing, and also just so you guys know, I'm going to go off of that same example that I did in the FAI. Okay, so first we want to put one column with minutes, one column with seconds, and the other column seconds converted. Go ahead and title those. Okay, and in this example I have 11 minutes and 50 seconds. So we've got 11 minutes, 50 seconds. Now I want to create an equation to convert quickly the seconds to a decimal value in minutes. So we're simply going to place an equal sign in the cell, open a parenthesis, and then we want to do the second value. So go ahead and click, and make sure you don't write 50, because what we're going to do is we're going to copy and paste this formula all the way down. It'll only work for the ones below if you actually select the cell when needed. Okay, so we're going to select this cell, and that is my second value, and we're going to divide that by 60. Okay, so divide is just a what is that? A backward forward slash. Okay, and divide it by 60. 60 is our constant, so we don't have to worry about any cell. Close the parenthesis, press enter, and there we have it. Okay, then we're going to just press Control C on the actual cell while it's highlighted, and below go ahead and highlight however many people we have in the lab and press Control V. Okay, those values will be 0 right now, but once we go in the future, we have somebody that did 15 minutes and 36 seconds, all of a sudden we get the decimal value. Okay, next column, let's go ahead and bold these. Alright, next column, we want time converted. So I'm just going to put TM converted. Alright, now again, we're going to make an equation for this one. So we're going to start with an equal sign, open parenthesis, and what do we want to do? We want to basically add the minutes and now the new decimal value. Again, there's no constant in this, so we want to select the cells. Okay, so you're going to select this one for min, put a plus sign, and then select this one for seconds converted. Make sure it's seconds converted and not regular seconds, otherwise you'll end up with a pretty wacky value. Okay, close the parenthesis, press enter, bam, 11.83. If you guys see that over here, that's what we got. Now we can select that cell, press Control C to copy, and paste it all the way down, Control V, and there we have it. And you can see if we were to enter minute and second for all of our values down below, it would automatically get the time converted. So this is the number we're going to use in our equation. Okay, I'm going to scroll to the right here. Next, we're going to do age. Excuse me. We're going to do age. Very simple. So the guy's age is 24. That's it. Boom. All right. Next, we're going to do meters per minute. All right. Here's another equation. All right. So we're going to look over here and refer. We've got 2514 for the meters divided by the minutes, or excuse me, the time in minutes. So we do equal sign, open parenthesis. We have 2514, 2514. Again, that's a constant, right? We're going to use that for all the different values below, so we're allowed to do that. So 2514, and we divide that by the time converted. So we're going to actually click this cell here and close parenthesis, enter, bam, there we go, 212 and 212. All right, like I said, a little bit more work up front, but it's going to save us time.